Hello everyone, can you hear my voice? Yes, okay, thank you very much. And okay, let's begin our new session sharing today. And thank you for joining us. And we are very excited to have all of you to be here for our new round of new future sharing today. And today's session is especially for exploring our applets, BigSeller applets. And I will introduce all the details about how to use the BigSeller app to managing our order or to adjust our inventory. And okay, before we start, you can see here there are two QR codes in our screen. The first one is our BigSeller YouTube channel. You can scan this QR code to subscribe our channel so that you can check the recording video for today's new session and you can watch it back. And also there are more introductions for different features for our BigSeller. You can subscribe and check these videos. And on the right, this is a QR code for the feedback and suggestion survey. Please take a few moments to fill out this survey because we will really need your advice and a few feedbacks. And if you have any questions or needs, you can scan this QR code, finish the survey, and also we will contact you one by one after the meeting. Yes. So here. And also there will be like a query for today's new sessions, new future session advice. What kind of features you are interested in or you want to know in the next session? You can fill this survey and I will introduce this kind of features and functions in the next Wednesday. Yes, so our session today will be officially begin in 3 minutes. And in these 3 minutes, I hope all of you can participate in us and join us to fill out our survey. And we will really appreciate it if you can like provide us your feedbacks and advice. Yes. Also, before we start, and I will like introduce the whole process for today's. First of all, I will give a brief introduction for what we'll learn or what we'll share today. And after that, we will have a Q&A session. In this session, you can feel free to ask any questions in this session. And this is the like the main two parts in our session today. Yes. Also, you can see that in our chat room, there will be a staff from our big seller. She will also like help me to answer your questions and you can feel free to ask and talk in our chat room. Yes. I can see that there are more and more participants in our session, and our sharing will start in 1 minute. And so now I'd like to invite all of you to take a few moments to figure out our survey, or you can subscribe our channel through this QR code. Since that you can check the recording video for today, and there will be more introduction for different features videos in our Big Seller YouTube channel. Yes. All right. Okay. Since I have said that today's sharing session is especially for the applet from our BigSeller, so that for the download, you can scan the QR code in our screen to download our BigSeller applet. And also you can find the download methods through our official website in BigSeller after you download our applet. And today I will introduce three main parts. The first part is the data analysis. It means that it includes three reports, and also now we support you to check the advertisement data in the applet. And for the second part is the order managing. There will two main functions like the capture proof and the scan functions to managing your order. And the third one is the inventory management. Is for the stock and the shelf functions. It helps us to adjust our inventory stock and the stock quantity. Yes. So let's begin from the first part is the data analysis. Here is the three screenshots from our applet. You can see that the first part is the sales today. You can check the real-time sales performance in this part. And the second part is for the data analysis. There are three reports and also advertisement data. You can check the data reports from different dimensions, including the store order and the sales, and it's totally same as the as in our computer in our website. And the last one is the advertisement data. Now we only support you can check the Shopee advertisement data in this part. And also we have the introduction videos in our BigSeller YouTube channel. And the next part is the order management. As you can see that the first of all is the capture proof. And the second one is the scan functions, including the scan to check order, scan to ship, or scan to inspect. Like for these four functions, it helps us to managing our order more efficiently. And the next one is for the inventory management. The first core function in this part is the stock function, like stock in returns, manual stocking, and stock out, and a quick stock count. And this can help us to quickly adjust our stock quantity. And the second one is for the shelves functions, on shelf, off shelf, or shelf change. Through these shelf functions, you can quickly change uh, the shelf where our merchant SKU stored. Yes, so I will introduce these three main functions, three main parts in our applets. And now I will show you how to operate, how to access to these functions. I will show another, wait, moment. Here you can see that it's our the homepage for our applet. And as you can see that this is our new function, the order alert. You can click here to see the system notification and also the alert notification that according to your setting in your computer, in your website. And also the first one is for the data analysis. Just as I have mentioned before, the sales today, you can check the real-time sales, like the valid orders volume and valid sales, and the comparison with the yesterday's sales performance. You can click here to see the details, like details here, the quantity, hours, yes. And like the hourly sales and the stock platform SKU ranking product and variation. You can see the ranking performance according to your needs. And then you click this icon to refresh real-time sales performance, sales data. And for the fourth report, three report here, the store, order, and the sales. The first one is the store. You can filter the marketplace here and the stores here. And for the yesterday, you can customize your time. You can customize one period of time and confirm it. You can see the overviews, sales data, and the summary data, the details here. Yes. Also, and this is the store. And also you can check the sales from the order dimension, like this one. Just as a store report, you can do the filter here and the overview and the data here, and click here to read the details. All this data is exactly same as our see in our official website. Yes. And the sales report from the sales performance dimension, you can customize your time and product quantity sales and valid sales and overview and details. Like through these three main reports, you can check your sales performance every time and anytime and anywhere, so that you can adjust your business strategies more flexible, and it can help your e-commerce business grow up. So I think it's very useful here. And this is a new function, the advertisement data. Is now we only support to check the Shopee advertisement data. You can click here to see the store data and to advertise performance, to see the single advertisement performance or the advertisement data for special store. Here you can see that. In this text count is also the 0, but in your account will show the details here. And also you can choose here to filter and the time here. And this is the currency. Yes. Also the metric here, you can see that you can customize the metric according to your needs. For example, you can choose like this one. Yes. So I think that through these 4 parts or 5 parts, through these 5 functions, you can check your sales performance is very more efficient and flexibility. You don't have to sit in the desktop and you don't have to open your computer and just sit there to check the sales data. You can just use your mobile phone. You can check the sales data anytime and anywhere. So it's more efficient. Okay, now it's the first part for the data analysis. And the second part is for the order management. You can see there, I will introduce the capture proof, scan to check order, scan to ship, and scan to inspect. These 4 functions. Also, for the first one is the capture proof here. Capture proof, it means that for the in-process order, you can, after you finish your package, you can, through our applet, to send the package photo to the buyers as a proof. So after the buyers receive the package, if there's any issues, you can use this as a proof to prove that you are not responsible for any problems for your package. So I think this capture proof is very useful, and I will show you how can you use this. I will show you how can you use this one. Okay. Like you click here, as you can see that there will be a setting here, like this one. Setting, click here to set that. You can choose the auto ship after setting or after saving according to your needs. And the auto send and the save. The delete here, you can choose the delete. It means that when you open this function, enable this one, you will see a countdown in your screen. And after the countdown finish, you can to auto have your package package photo here. And if you enable the photo confirmation, after you got the photo, you have to manually confirm it so that it can auto send or save in your applet or to the buyers. And this is the collect rating here. And the capture and the proof method, you can choose to send image or just save it. I choose to save it and confirm. Okay, then I will show you the real one. Scan the shipping label here. You can scan the scan successfully. And then you can click view here to see the details. You can, oh, sorry, this is the stock. I choose the first one. This is one. Click here to see the, yes, and this one. Oh, sorry, I will choose another one. Please wait for a moment. I have to mention that just as you can see that there will be an error report at that time. Just now, our capture proof function now will only support Shopee, TikTok, and Lazada platform. So like this one, is this the Lazada? Okay, all right. I can choose it. All right. If we can successfully scan this package, then it will jump to the page. Like it will show you like you can add some notes, and also you can choose it will do the operation according to your need here. You can just send or save this image. Yes, so this is a capture proof function. And the second one is for the scan functions. Scan to check the order. Here also you can scan and to check the order details. All right, this is a wrong package. You can scan here to check the order details is so, and also you can scan to ship. For the scan to ship and scan to inspect, it only supports you to scan the in-process status orders so that you can choose to ship or to inspect your package. It can guarantee that you deliver the right package here. Also, I want to show you how to operate it. Let's see, can we do it? You can click here, click scan to ship and click ship now. Also, you can change the setting here. Yes, you can change. You can choose scan to show the product or merchant SKU, and here we can click ship now and choose the one. Yes, after that, you can see that this is a current scanned package, and you can choose to edit, or you can choose to confirm it. Yes, you can choose to ship it.
Failed.
Failed. It's not under the in-process order. So
Seller
that
delivery.
so it reminds you that you only can scan the in-process orders through in its function. Also for the scan to inspect is totally the same. So I will also show you. Let's see, can we do it? For the scan to ship now. All right, so it's successfully. Then we can like ship
Failed.
also failed. Okay. Now I will change another one.
Seller delivery.
For this one, let's choose the scan to inspect. If you click here, also you can change the setting here. Change the setting here, auto ship after the inspection, and let's scan one. Also, someone has shipped my package here. So after you scan to inspect, it will show the package and order details. If you check that every item in this package is correct, then you can click the shipped. Yes. So this is for the order management here. And the next one is the inventory management. I will introduce like the stock function, stocking returns, or manual stocking and manual stock out, and a quick stock count. And here, these four functions can help us to adjust our management. Yes. For this one, stock in return, I will also to show you how can we return. Also, you need to scan and book to return. Okay, let's see. Can we do it? Click here and let's choose the one successfully. And also you can click the read the details here. This is the stock to scan to stocking. And then you can choose the merchant SKU here. And you can choose the stocking quantity according to your needs. Yes, you can choose less, no less than one or more than one, and confirm it. Enter the order. Minutes. Let's try and just confirm. Going to do it. Confirm to stocking and here successfully. Then we finish the stocking return here. So the next step is that you can scan and you can choose the stocking quantity, and after that, scan the order number and confirm it. Yes, this is the 3 step. And this is for the return orders, after sales orders. Also, you can just stock in or stock out the merchant SKU. You can choose the manual stocking. You can choose to scan the merchant SKU here. For example, I will show you one merchant SKU, like scan the merchant SKU here and confirm. And you will see that you can choose the stocking quantity, 2 or 3 egg according to your needs. And also you can add the chefs. Since it's the one SKU, multiple chefs, so you can add more chefs here. Example is one and confirm stocking. Yes, confirm. And this is the menu stocking. Also the menu stock out. Also scan the merchant SKU and choose the stock out quantity and add chef or not, or you can just confirm it. Yes. Is out of stock. Okay, in this shape, we don't have enough stock here. And we can also add more here. Successfully, yes. So this is the manual stocking and manual stock count, or the stocking returns the whole process for the operations. Yes, and for the quick stock count, that you can quickly adjust your stock quantity through these functions. There will be two types. The first one is simple count. It means that you can quick count just for the special SKU and manually modify the inventory directly. For example, you can change the one. You can choose the merchant SKU here in the confirm. And then it will show you the page details. You choose to count the quantity of this merchant SKU, and also you can just to scan it. And we can also choose the menus count. There will be two types. You can scan SKU or chef information to start a count. For example, I choose to the merchant SKU. All right, and the count number, like according to your needs. If you choose the count number more than the original stock quantity, it will show the gain. And if you choose the less than, the also is 0. So if it is less than the original, will show the loss. That we just again and confirm. Here is scan the chef, and you can confirm. Yes. So it's successfully, it can help us to like quickly adjust our inventory. Okay, this is the quick stock count for list 4. It can help us quickly adjust our inventory. And also for the inventory query, you can scan the merchant SKU here to quickly check the inventory, the stock count for the special merchant SKU here. So it's very flexible, and we support the prefix or fuzzy or precious search here. And I will introduce the shelf function, the on shelf and off shelf. You can like the on shelf and off shelf function, and also the movement function is also support us to adjust the inventory within our warehouse. It means that you can change the also you can change the stock quantity for one product in multiple shelves. So it will show that. But pay attention for the one SKU and one shelf. You should enable that on stock management function, so that you can use the on shelf or the off shelf function here. Yes. Now I will show you how to do this. First of all, for the off shelf, you can choose the one SKU here. Let's confirm it, scan or confirm it. And then you can scan the store chef you want to offset here. For example, I can chef information. I will choose the one. Confirm. Yes, and then confirm. Remove it from the chef. All right, this is then you can choose the mobile quantity here and confirm. Then this is the off chef. After that, you can choose the two on chef, like to move this some merchant SKU to another chef. Yes. So this is the off chef and off chef. And for the scan to receive, is like the if you purchase some merchant SKU, you can use this one. You can scan to choose to receive the your merchant SKU. So you can see that you can choose the warehouse here, and you can choose the status, receiving status. And you can see here, you can scan or input the purchase or tracking shipping mark numbers here. We choose the one of them. You can choose the receiving function, receiving quantity here. If you choose that, okay, you can choose to receive all and receive. Then it's successfully, or it will, if it failed, it will show you the reason, and you can check it again. Yes. So this is the scan to receive function here. And for the move, just as I have mentioned before, the on shelf and off shelf and move, all these three functions is used to adjust the shelf information. So if we have the remove move task on our computer or our website, and then in our applet, it will directly show the move task here, and you can choose to pick it as the quantity and choose all and then complete the picking. And so then you can choose to on shelf now. It means that you just like the warehouse staff just pick all these 23 Machan SKU, and then from the original default shelf, and now you want to on shelf this Machan SKU to a new shelf. So you can choose the on shelf now, and the current you can choose the one of it. For example, I choose another one. Or you can choose the number or the and complete on shelf. Yes, it means the completed. It needs us to create a move task through our website. Yes, and for the restock, it means that if you have your like order in the stock in the shelf out of stock list, it will generate the restock status. Like for this one, if you here, I change another warehouse, it will show you the restock here. You can click claim, and then you will show here and to pick. Yes, click all and complete picking. So it's confirm it's a complete restock now. And for the shape change, we can choose the here to scan the original chef. I will choose the one original chef and select one SKU here. All right, it is counting. So you can choose to select the Machan SKU. Then it will remind you to choose the new shelf. You can just confirm to finish the shelf change through this function. All right, this is the all three main function parts in this homepage for our applets. And also we'll introduce that how to, in this one, order list. You can choose to managing and process of order, like you can pack the new order, and you can choose to like print the ship or print the well bill in the in process one. Then it will move to pickup. And also you can check the canceled and the shipped one here. Yes, you can scan the QR code, scanned, and just to check the order here. And also there will be a filter here. The platform, store, and shipping method, just the same as in our website. Okay, this is the all for today's like the introduction for today's applet function. And any questions here is now is our Q&A session. Any questions here? Let me check. So if you have any feedbacks or questions that you think is inconvenient to say in the chat in our chat room, you can scan this QR code and to leave your comments, and we will contact you one-on-one, one by one after the session. And also, if you need a face-to-face one-on-one training, you can also scan this QR code and to leave your account. Like any advice, any feedbacks, you can just leave your account through this QR code, and we will have the official staff to contact you. Yes. Also, there will be a big event I want to introduce to all of you for the Malaysia e-commerce summit. We will invite many industry like the professional to give you advice to like share their strategies how to grow our e-commerce business. I think it's totally free and it's an excellent opportunity to help you to gain more insights in the growth of e-commerce business so that you can scan this QR code for the registration. It's totally free, and we support the Chinese and English language. We will have the translator on site. So if anyone have any questions, please feel free to leave your advice or your feedback questions in our chat room. Also, you can like scan this QR code for the survey. All right, if there's no more questions, I think that we can end our sharing session today. And also we will have a new round sharing session in the next Wednesday. Yes. I think if you have any questions after the meeting, we welcome all of you to leave your questions in our customer service group. We will have staff to answer your questions in real time. Yes. So thank you for joining us today. This is all for today. Goodbye.